Here's another video of a Pokemon pack called Temporal Forces, Scarlet and Violet. Let's take it out from the package. Look at the beauty in that. Alright, let's see how it's gonna look inside. For the card trick, you just gotta take it out from the back, one Pokemon from the back, and then put it in the front. There's the code card. And then, you see that? That's the trick. Flip it around. We got a Psychic Energy, Ghastly, Elgium, Sizzlypede, Marill, Morty's Conviction, Shiftry, Bianca's Devotion, Tranquil, Reverse Hollow right there, Seedot, another Reverse Hollow, and Bramblegast.